Picking up right now from NDTV Profit on HDFC Life. My colleague Harsh, I beg your pardon, is standing by. Harsh, what are you picking up with regards to HDFC Life? Because premiums are set to get expensive.
Well, they are, Hiral. In fact, this is a bit of a knock-on effect even of the GST rate cut which is in the pipeline. So a GST rate cut could actually get completely nullified by a premium hike. HDFC Life definitely hiking rates on their term plans by 5 to 10% across age categories. It's a small increase, but when you're looking at it in the overall scheme of things, it will likely lead to further increases across products as well. It leaves that window open. So that's one. Second, you will also see other players starting to increase rates. So on term plan, of course, HDFC Life does just about 6%. So the mix in on the term plan front is extremely small. But this could leave the window open for other players to start hiking rates, and GST rates coming off could further push those players to focus more on profitability and hike rates. So that could really start to play out, and you're seeing life insurers buzz in trade on the back of all of that that's playing out in the industry as a whole.
Absolutely. And Harsh, it's interesting to see because I think, if I'm not mistaken, correct me later on as well, but you had major life insurance companies who had gone ahead and hiked their term insurance prices as well. And this was done back then in June or July. And it was HDFC which was leading the race. I think 1 to 10% was the kind of hike that we had picked up at that given point in time. And this was mainly applying to individuals above the age of 60. Currently, that's the difference that we are seeing so far. But that's a second hike that is coming in the current financial year. And what will that do to market share of life insurance companies is going to be an interesting move that we should be watching out for. We will get Harsh back on the during the day to get us more on this. But that's an exclusive. Let's quickly pull up this stock, HDFC Life, which is trading with gains of almost 2.5% at the day's highest levels. But moving on.